Cucumber. Always put 2 because just in case one doesn't grow. Today's date is 7/5 or 6. So it's 6. So broccoli.
5.
So I'm gonna take the broccoli. Broccoli. Okay, stop.
Okay. You're gonna need to edit that a little bit.
I just saw him do something very interesting. He cut the tip of the squash, so I want to do that. So I'm just going to cut the tip on this. Let me get a knife and cut James do this today, or no, not James. The guy at Epic Gardening. So him do that. So I'm going to see if I start this in the Aero garden like that, if it will do the same thing. So that's yellow squash. And here is yellow squash. It's 3. Cauliflower. Take this out. Put in the cauliflower.
Put in the hole.
Then I write cauliflower. Put it on top of that. Some kind of way I got them all mixed up. So I don't know how that happened. Okay. And 1 Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprouts. Where are they? I don't know that. I planted them last time, and they said Brussels sprouts. But I'm going to show you something. I'm planting 2 Brussels sprouts because this is one, and this is the other one. This is also a Brussels sprout. And they are not red.
Maybe the most fruit color.
But we're gonna put it in that one. And we'll put 2 in each one just to see if it actually will grow Brussels sprouts. This is okay, sweetie. So it's not easy, is it? Mm-mm. Make sure you put 2.
Okay.
See how to put it over here so I don't have to get your face. There we go. It's okay. If it's 3 or 4, it doesn't matter. Let it go. Okay. Now, the next one is also a lettuce, so it doesn't matter. Put the both of them in there together. Open it up. It looked so simple when I was doing it, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think I missed thumbs up, so you could try to do that again. Thumbs up. All right.
One.
Hey Google, turn on the light. Say herbs because herbs can help with lettuce, and even if the lettuce stays around. And the plants are already wet, which is nice. And all I have to do now is put food in it. Pause. Good. Good, we're done.